Hi guys, I'm Alex Racuglia, and this is a very super short video of the Morning Rant, the show in which I talk about my life as a TV commercial director and especially today as a software developer while I telecommute from my home to the office. Just a little announcement today, or maybe the night between yesterday and today, Best Frame has been launched. You can find it on this website somewhere. In here, I will put the link on the FX Factory website. It's an exclusive, so you can purchase it only on FX Factory. The price tag is $49, a lot of money, you know? But the launch price is $39. You think the price tag is too high or too low? Nobody will ever say too low, but what can I say? We decided for this price tag. I think that if you need this app, you can easily purchase it. And because it's very useful when you want to get the best frames, this is the title of the app, out of a video, and it's perfect for printing photo albums. And given the fact that it has a very super powerful artificial intelligence model that increases the detail, you can easily use not so in focus or a little blurred images to get the best results. I like this feature a lot. If you click somewhere in here, you will find the playlist of the videos I published on YouTube as tutorials. And I think that if you follow the two tutorials, one for the main usage of the app and the other for the storyboard mode, you can have access to all the features of the app. And I think that in 4 minutes, you will learn everything you need to use this app. And that's it. Let me know in the comments, please, what do you think about this launch? What do you think about this app that I started writing exactly 2 months ago? So it's one of the most fast development I ever faced. It's a tiny app, but very powerful. So I'm quite proud of myself. Thank you very much and see you later. Ciao. I was going to have a car crash.